Hi, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you guys about an awesome gift idea. So this is a candle from Wax and Wit. This particular one says best mom ever. So if you're looking to spoil a new mom, your own mother, maybe your grandma, I think this would be a beautiful gift. What woman doesn't love a candle? A lot of men do too, but this is a really nice option. If you're looking to gift something to someone that you're not really sure what to buy, this would be awesome. So it comes in a beautiful glass jar. It does have a tin lid, so you can use that. And then they all have these beautiful messages. So you can get something for every occasion. They are called Wax and Wit for a reason. They have a lot of witty sayings, but this particular one is just very sweet. It is a soy-based candle and it has that wood wick. So listen closely. Do you hear how that sounds? It crackles. I think that is so beautiful. It's calming. It's exactly what you want to hear at the end of a long day. And of course, the scents are beautiful. So this one is Lavender and Sage. Very light, fresh smell. It fills the entire room. It fills the entire house, in fact. I left the other day for a little bit and came back into my candle burning, and my entire house smelled of this candle. So really beautiful option. I cannot recommend this brand enough. I think you're going to be really pleased with the quality, and that's my point of view.